Snipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP going back to the market bottom in 2023 all the way down to the small time frame just so we can see exactly what's going on. So back in January 2023, we had a 5-wave move to the upside for our wave 1. So this over here would be considered your wave 1, and then for over 1 year we've been within reaccumulation for our wave 2. And we're currently within our wave 3 to the upside. I do believe this wave 2 has bottomed out right here at the 78.6% fib. And as most of you know, if most of you that have been watching my channel for some time now, I do say that if the market fails to find a bottom at the 70.2% fib, then it's likely we'll go ahead and see the trend reversal at the 78.6% fib, which we did over here. Okay, so we lost the 70.2% fib over here, and then we went up a bit, formed a pennant, and then wicked down to the 786. Okay, so I do think that our wave 2 low is in, and we are currently within our wave 3 to the upside. Now, within that wave 3, what you're going to see is a lot of peaks and troughs on the small time frame. So when we go ahead and take a look at this on the 3-hour time frame, we do see that 5 subwaves have been put in. Now remember, there's 5 waves within a macro wave. Okay, so we do see 5 waves here. So this could be our wave. It looks like we're putting in our wave 1 within our wave 3 to the upside. Okay, so this over here, we see that 5 waves have been put in. Okay, right over here. And we also see that we have come up to the 50% fib, which is a common target for a 5th wave in the Elliott wave theory. Okay, what we also notice is that when we take a Fibonacci tool right from the top back when Bitcoin had its local top in March, so on March 11th down to the July 5th low, we do see that we have already hit the 70.2% fib over here. Okay, so we hit this 70.2% fib for our 5th wave high, but it wouldn't surprise me we have what's called a 335 Elliott wave flat pattern in which the B wave comes up towards the 786 before having a C wave down below 54 cent. So it would look something like this. So you have your A wave right over here, you have your 3-wave move down, you have your 3-wave move up, and then a 5-wave move to the downside like this for your wave 2. Okay, this would be your sub wave 2. So it looks something like this, right over here. And usually the B wave in a flat pattern, it usually goes towards the 1.236, 1.382 extension. This is the rule in the Elliott wave theory. The good thing about the Elliott wave theory is that it has many checks and balances in order for you to formulate the analysis correctly. So it would come down, it would likely come down below this low over here, sitting at 54 cent. Okay? Now remember, it doesn't have to, this B wave, it doesn't have to come up here to 66 cent. This over here could be our B wave, and now we're having a C wave to the downside, because remember, on the 30-minute time frame, we are still below the 78.6% fib. So if we take a fib from this 5th wave high over here down to this low, you do see that we are consolidating under this region right over here. Okay, you guys see that? The price is unable to get back above this level, above 61.6. So if price can get back above 0.616, then it's likely we're going to have that B wave higher, okay, towards this 66 cent region, and then come down for a C wave for our sub wave 2 of our macro 3rd wave to the upside. Okay, so this over here would be considered your sub wave 1. You then have an A, B, C correction for your sub wave 2. And it would come down to any of these fibs below. So if we didn't have this B wave topping out at the 78.6% fib right over here, then it's likely this over here would be our top, and we'd come down for a C wave to any of these fibs located right over here. Okay, so for the fib supports, we're going to use the logarithmic scale. Okay, so any of these blue fibs below the price. Okay, right over here. But knowing how XRP operates, there is still a big possibility of us having this B wave, because remember, XRP loves to do what's called exit pumps, and it wouldn't surprise me we have this fake out where this exit pump towards this 66 cent region and then come down for a C wave below 54 cent. So in that case, the supports would be like this. Okay, it'd just be a little bit different. Okay, so something like this. So any of these fibs below is where I would expect price to go towards before turning up for your wave 3. Now, you can even consider this almost like a macro leading diagonal, right? Where you have a 5-wave move to the upside, right? In a ascending channel like formation or a broadening wedge formation, then you have an ABC down, and everyone thinks it's going to continue to go lower over here and meet these lows, but in reality, this over here is a bear trap, and then we come up for the next leg in the market. So this is a big possibility for XRP. Now remember, in order for us to continue to rise without having that pullback first, Bitcoin must follow suit. Because when we take a look at Bitcoin over here, we do see that it does look like we have 5 subwaves here to the upside. So on the right side of the screen here, this is the 30-minute time frame. We do see 5 subwaves have been put in with triple negative divergence, and and then on the left side, this is the 4-hour time frame. It does look like our wave 1 has been put in, so it wouldn't surprise me we come down for a wave 2 here to any of these fibs below before having that wave 3 for our expansion out of the range. Okay, so I will definitely be updating these charts in the Discord. I don't always have time to update the charts on YouTube. All of these targets are subject to change, so definitely click the link in the description below to join the Discord so you guys can stay up to date with all of your favorite coins and assets, especially with the XRP ecosystem. So I hope you guys enjoyed the XRP video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.